Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to be reviewing another hair color conditioner. A few videos ago I tried out the Overtone Rose Gold for brown hair and ended up loving it. At first I was a little wary because it was the first time I really did an actual color other than just natural colors on my hair. But after like the second day I was in love, and now I can't really imagine myself going back to just brown hair. Like I'm already thinking like, ooh, maybe next time I'll try red or next time I'll try blue. So it got me searching on the internet for other products to try out. I loved Overtone and I highly recommend it, but I just wanted to try out something else. So I found this Color Clenditioner by Keracolor. This is also in rose gold because I'm really feeling the pink vibes right now. This seems like it's the same thing. It's a conditioner that deposits color pigment onto your hair. Now the only thing is the Overtone I used was specifically made for brown hair. This is not. This is technically for light hair, light brown and blonde, but I thought I would give it a shot either way because maybe it'll be pigmented enough to show up at least on my ends that are lighter and to refresh some of the pink that has been fading in my hair. So I'm hoping that it'll do something. In this one it says the color deepens with each wash, which is interesting. Like it shows that if you start off with blonde hair, after the first wash it'll be that, a few more washes, and then that. This isn't going to be a comparison video between this and Overtone, but I will kind of compare as I go along. This one was $22. Overtone was $29 plus shipping because I couldn't get it in store. This I was able to purchase at Ulta. The one downside about this is that it doesn't come with gloves, so you'll have to go out and buy some. I just happen to have some laying around the house that I can use. So I wasn't having the best day today, so after work I ended up going to Starbucks to get a fancy drink, and they have the holiday cups out, and I love this one. It's so cool. So I've got my coffee. I'm ready to change my hair. It kind of sounds like I'm going through some kind of midlife crisis. I'm fine, I swear. If you're excited for this video, make sure you give it a like, thumbs up, whatever you want to call it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and check out the Overtone video if you are interested in coloring your hair. Now let's get to it. Okay, I have my typical hair dye shirt on, my cat astronaut, castronaut if you will. So the bottle says that you can use this on dry hair for a brighter, bolder result. So that's what I'm going to do since my hair is brown. I'm hoping that helps. I'm going to pin half up and start with the bottom layer. It has a pump, which is nice, so that you can just put this in your shower. Okay, it's a much different color than the Overtone. This is more like brownish pink. The Overtone was super bright pink, like fuchsia. So it says to completely saturate your hair just like with the Overtone. I really hope that this is just as moisturizing as the Overtone because I'm not kidding when I say the Overtone is so amazing for your hair moisturizing. It left my hair smoother and more moisturized than my normal conditioner. Like if it wasn't so expensive, I would get that as my normal conditioner. And after my previous video, my hair is in desperate need of some moisture. Although I am putting it near the root, I'm going to concentrate most of the product near the ends because that is where my hair is lightest.
Sometimes I wish I was somebody else. I was somebody else. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own.
Okay, so my camera battery died on me as I was finishing up the lower half of my hair, so I'm gonna try and speed through the top part. I charged it for a little bit, but it is not gonna last for very long. So it says to comb through the product, make sure it's completely throughout your hair.
Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing.
on the warning sign, so I'm gonna try and wrap this up. So it says to leave this on for anywhere from 3 to 20 minutes, but if you leave it on longer, you should have a bolder color. So I'm gonna try and leave it on for half an hour. Obviously, the lower part of my hair is gonna have it for longer, but whatever. All right, I'm back. If I look semi-crazy, that's because half of my makeup kind of washed off when I was rinsing my hair. So if you've seen my overtone video, you know that this is a lot more subtle than the results I achieved with that product, which is what I expected since this is one that is only meant for blonde hair or really, really light brown hair. I knew I wasn't going to see as stark of a result. I was expecting a little bit more, but I do notice, like in the front, these pieces before the overtone were blonde. So those I notice it the most. It looks like the pink is just a little bit more there. Prior to this, it was fading, so it kind of just gave that pink some life back. It didn't really do anything on my roots. Like, it doesn't have any kind of tint or anything. I'd say you notice the most just like right here. It's hard to really tell from the pictures if there's any difference in the back. I didn't end up using my normal hair mask that I use every time I wash my hair because I wanted to see how this moisturized my hair and how it left it, because when I did the overtone, like I already said, it made my hair feel amazing. This one, I would definitely want to go in with my hair mask again. My hair was already dry, but this didn't really give it much moisture and love back. It was very frizzy. I did put some product in after it was dry, but it's still very frizzy, it feels dry, and I definitely should have used my hair mask. It's definitely nice that it deposits color, but I don't think as a conditioner, you might want to also use your normal conditioner because I don't know if it's going to supply the type of moisture that you need. The bottle did say something about the more you use this, the more defined the color will be. So since I started on this video earlier than usual, I am going to use it again the next time I wash my hair, and maybe if I have time, one more time and see how the color works after a few more washes. One thing I did want to note is that the color it did supply, it looks more truly rose gold than what I got with the overtone. I love the color with overtone, but this one does look like that rose gold that you get in jewelry. So it is very pretty. If you have blonde hair, this would be amazing. At the very least, I can use this as a supplemental conditioner to use in between overtone to keep that color so I don't have to buy overtone so much. I think that's all I have to say today. I am going to go pour some moisturizing products on my hair, and I will see you whenever the next time I wash my hair is. Hey, it's been a minute. The last video I recorded was I think 2 weeks ago. So I did end up washing my hair and using the Clenditioner one more time, and I do think it increased the color. I think this pink is a lot lighter of a pink tone than what I used for overtone. So it doesn't have that same sort of vibrancy, but I feel like I do notice a difference in, I guess, just like how it shows up on my hair, and I feel like some of the areas where it was fading on my hair, it does look like it kind of got those streaks. It might be kind of hard to tell from the pictures because the overtone fades with each wash, so the darker bright pink that was in my hair wouldn't look as potent, and the Clenditioner is more of that traditional lighter pink rose gold, which is like what I think this strand really represents, is that rose gold color. So I think it's working, but it's just a different shade than what I was used to. I did end up using my hair mask along with the Clenditioner, and my hair felt so much better than when I just used the Clenditioner. I definitely needed that extra moisture that this wasn't providing. So since I have only used this 2 times, I don't want to give like a definitive opinion. I know I'm making a whole video about it, so like this is basically my opinion, but you know, like if I continue to use this, I have a feeling that the color is going to get deeper and more bright. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, I think this would be a really good product to use with overtone, but not alone unless you have blonde hair. I still have over half a bottle left of this, so I used significantly less than I did with the overtone. So I think if I use the overtone initially and use this to manage the color, it'll be a perfect combination. And this brand has tons of other colors. Like I think they had 3 options just if you wanted to be in the pink realm. So yeah, I think I would say this gets my stamp of approval. I'm not sure what else to say, so I guess I'm just gonna end this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like or a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.